Eggplant roll-ups, or more commonly known as rollatini, is an Italian-style dish comprised of simple but yet very flavorful ingredients. And today, I'll show you how to make them. To start, you want to get good quality prosciutto, mozzarella, some herbs. Here I have some thyme and rosemary, garlic, your eggplants, idea you need two, some basil, some tomato sauce or passata, and then you want to get your pepper and salt. Cut off the top of your eggplant and slice them lengthwise. From 2 large eggplants, you should get approximately 12 slices. And this is the thickness you should be aiming for. Next, get colander and put your eggplants in there. Then we are going to salt them. This is to draw the excess water from them. Lastly, crush your garlics with your hands and unpeel them. Over medium heat, heat olive oil in a medium pan. Add the crushed garlic, let it brown slightly, then add your passata. Add your basil and the other herbs such as thyme or rosemary, and then you want to season it with some salt and black pepper. Now cover it and let it simmer for approximately 20 minutes. In the meantime, you want to get a pan over medium heat. I am using a cast iron griddle, but you can use any other pan. Then you want to slightly coat it with some olive oil, as we'll be using it to grow our eggplants. Once your pan is hot enough, add the eggplant. The eggplant will be taking about 3 to 5 minutes to cook on each side. Repeat this process until all the eggplants are cooked. In the meantime, we'll start by slicing our mozzarella, and then afterwards we'll be forming some sticks out of them. Keep in mind that you want to have as many mozzarella sticks as slices of eggplant. At the end, your mozzarella sticks should be ready, as well as your eggplant and your tomato sauce. And now we'll start forming the roll-ups. Firstly, grab a 9 by 9 inches baking dish. What we are going to do is we are going to coat the bottom of it with the tomato sauce. This will allow the roll-ups to not stick to it. And now onto the roll-ups. First, you want to grab your grilled eggplant, then some prosciutto, lay on top, and then you want to put 1 stick of mozzarella at the very beginning of the eggplant. Then you want to start rolling it. And finally, place it in the baking dish. Repeat this process for all the slices of eggplants. And lastly, add some of the tomato sauce on top, drizzle of oil, and some Parmesan cheese on top. Place the baking dish in the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the cheese on top is golden brown but not burnt. If you are enjoying these recipes and want to see more, please subscribe and check out my other videos. Now onto the plating. Spread some of the tomato sauce onto the plate. Then place 3 roll-ups on the sauce. Add some additional sauce onto the roll-ups. Add some grated Parmesan cheese on top of it. And finish it off with some basil. And enjoy.